an Australian chef. Welcome to my 12 days of Christmas. This is day 3 and tonight I'm going to show you how to make Christmas meringue trees out of basic ingredients. All we're going to need is 4 eggs, a cup of caster sugar, a dash of vanilla essence, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and some green food colouring. Okay, for those of you who don't know how to separate an egg, I'm going to show you. You crack it evenly and then let the egg white fall into the bowl. The egg's always better on room temperature eggs for this. Oh, this is clever. For this dish. Chefs make mistakes too. There we go. Do another egg. Being careful not to break it too much. If you get any egg yolk into the bowl, it won't whip, even the slightest amount. It won't whip up at all. There we go, we've got 4 egg whites. Now I'm going to put that on to beat. We're going to whisk that quite high until soft peaks forms. Okay, we're going to stop that now. That took approximately 3 or 4 minutes to get to that point. As you can see, the soft peaks formed. Now we're going to add the other ingredients. First of all, I'm going to add a little tiny bit of vanilla essence, just for a tiny bit of flavour. And now we're going to add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the sugar has dissolved. There we go, that's all the sugar dissolved now. I'm just going to wait and beat it a few more minutes until it's lovely and thick and glossy. As you can see, it's getting very close to that point. Just going to have a quick look. As you can see, lovely and thick and glossy. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Cream of tartar, sorry, not cream of tartar. Now I'm also going to add a couple of drops of green food colouring to get the desired colour of the trees. Be very careful because you only needed 1 or 2 drops. Obviously, the more you put in, the darker the colour. I'm just going to go 1 more drop. Okay, that's finished now. As you can see, there's a little bit of white still left in the beater. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bash that one. Bring that off. As you can see, just a little bit of green. I'm just going to incorporate it like that. Look at that beautiful, thick, glossy green egg whites. Right now I'm going to put it in the piping bag and we're going to pipe the desired shape. Make sure your oven's preheated on 120 degrees Celsius. You can get these disposable piping bags at any cake shop or even from your local Red Dot, and just put a star nozzle in the bottom. Okay. Now when you're piping, you're trying to form the shape of a tree. So you start off quite big on the bottom and then just bring it up to a peak. Not too big. Keep them about 1 centimetre apart. As you can see, I've got around about 16 to 18 here, and in my hand I've got little stars. I'm just going to put some stars on the top of each tree. There you go. Now we're going to put that into the oven, and that's going to take approximately an hour. And to test them, when you open the oven, just feel if the little meringue moves off the baking paper. And if it moves off the baking paper easily, that means they're ready. But these should take approximately an hour, maybe a little bit longer. There you go, that's the finished product. That was in the oven for an hour. On 120 I put it on. And it took, it took a little bit longer than an hour, probably an hour and 15 minutes. But as you can see, they've come out and they're lovely and crunchy. Comes off easily off the tray. And then I cooled it down in the oven for a further hour. I hope you enjoy the Christmas meringue trees. Have a go. See you next time.